Lost wallet at the supermarket.
I am very worried right now.
Oh, Emily, what is wrong?
I think I lost my wallet at the supermarket.
Oh no, that sounds stressful.
Yes, I feel very nervous and confused.
I understand. Losing a wallet is scary.
I do not know what to do.
First, take a deep breath.
Okay, I will try to stay calm.
Good. I am here with you.
Thank you. That helps me feel better.
Where did you last remember seeing your wallet?
I remember having it near the fruit area.
Were you holding it in your hand?
Yes, I think I was.
Maybe you put it down for a moment.
Yes, that is possible.
Did you check your bag slowly and carefully?
Yes, I checked it many times.
And your pockets, too?
Yes, nothing is there.
Okay, do not panic.
I feel bad and a little scared.
Bad feeling is normal.
My money and cards are inside.
I know, that is very important.
I feel shy to ask people for help.
I understand, but asking is okay.
You really think so?
Yes, many people are kind.
That makes me feel a little hopeful.
Good. Hope is important.
I keep thinking about my wallet.
That means it matters to you.
Yes, very much.
Let us stay calm and wait for a moment.
Okay, I will try.
Take another deep breath.
All right, I feel a bit calmer now.
Good job. You are doing well.
Thank you for staying with me.
Of course, you are not alone.
Maybe someone found my wallet?
That can happen.
I really hope so.
Stay positive.
I see someone walking toward us.
That is a good sign.
They found my wallet.
That is wonderful news.
I am so happy now.
I am very happy for you.
Thank you so much, Michael.
Anytime, Emily.
Talking about traffic problems.
Hi, Emily.
Hi, Michael. You look tired today.
Yes, I am very tired. The traffic was terrible.
Oh no, what happened on the road?
There were too many cars.
I do not like heavy traffic.
Me neither. It makes me stressed.
Did you wait for a long time?
Yes, I waited a long time.
That is not good.
No, it is not.
Was there an accident?
Yes, a small accident near the street.
That sounds scary.
It was a little scary.
Were people angry?
Yes, some people were angry.
I feel nervous in traffic.
Me too.
What do you do to relax?
I listen to music in the car.
That helps me too.
Do you drive every day?
Yes, I drive to work every day.
Do you like driving?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
I understand.
Traffic makes my day slow.
Same for me.
Do you use the bus?
Yes, when traffic is very bad.
The bus is slow but calm.
Yes, I can sit and relax.
I want to leave home early tomorrow.
That is a good idea.
Thank you, Michael.
You're welcome.
Drive safely.
You too.
See you later.
See you soon.
Talking to a police officer.
Good morning.
Good morning, officer.
Can I see your license, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you.
Is there a problem?
You were driving very fast.
Oh, I am sorry.
Do you know the speed limit?
No, I did not see the sign.
Please be careful next time.
Yes, officer.
Is everything okay with your car?
Yes, my car is fine.
Where are you going?
I am going to work.
Are you in a hurry?
A little bit.
I understand.
I will drive slowly now.
That is good.
Thank you for explaining.
You are welcome.
I feel nervous talking to police.
That is normal.
You are very kind.
Thank you.
Can I go now?
Yes, you can go.
Thank you, officer.
Drive safely.
I will.
Have a good day.
You too.
Remember, safety first.
Yes, always.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Talking about emergency situations.
Michael, emergencies scare me.
That is normal.
What should I do in an emergency?
First, stay calm.
That is hard for me.
Take a deep breath.
Okay, I will try.
Do you know emergency numbers?
Yes, but I forget sometimes.
You can save them on your phone.
That is smart.
What kind of emergency worries you?
Fire and accidents.
Those are serious.
I feel scared thinking about them.
It is okay to feel scared.
What should I do in a fire?
Leave the place quickly.
And call for help?
Yes, call for help.
What about accidents?
Help if it is safe.
I understand.
Do not panic.
I will remember that.
You are learning well.
Thank you for helping me.
Always.
I feel more confident now.
That makes me happy.
Emergencies are scary, but I can handle them.
Yes, you can.
I feel brave now.
Good job, Emily.
Asking for help in public.
Michael, I feel lost.
What happened, Emily?
I cannot find the bus stop.
That happens sometimes.
I feel a little nervous.
Do not worry. We can ask for help.
I feel shy to ask people.
It is okay. People like to help.
Really?
Yes, most people are kind.
Okay, I will try.
Excuse me.
Hello, can you help me?
She is looking for the bus stop.
I am new here.
Take your time.
I am not good at asking.
You are doing great.
Thank you.
Did you understand the directions?
A little, but not all.
That is fine.
Can you explain again, please?
Slowly, please.
Thank you so much.
See? That was easy.
Yes, it was.
How do you feel now?
I feel proud.
You should.
Asking for help is not scary.
Exactly.
I learned something today.
What did you learn?
It is okay to ask.
Very good lesson.
Thank you for staying with me.
Always.
Let's go to the bus stop.
Let's go. Talking about safety at home.
Michael, I want my home to be safe.
That is very important.
Sometimes I worry at night.
Do you lock the doors?
Yes, I always lock them.
That is good.
I also close the windows.
Very smart.
Do you check your house before sleep?
Yes, every night.
What do you check?
Doors, windows, and lights.
I forget sometimes.
You can make a habit.
That is a good idea.
Do you have a smoke alarm?
Yes, I do.
Does it work well?
I think so.
It is good to check it.
I will check it today.
Keep your phone near you.
Yes, always.
Do you feel safe at home now?
More than before.
That is great.
Talking helps me feel calm.
I'm glad.
Safety is important.
Very important.
Thank you for the tips.
You are welcome.
I will be careful.
Good job.
I feel responsible.
That is a good feeling. Talking about eating breakfast.
Michael, did you eat breakfast?
Yes, I did.
What did you eat?
I ate eggs and bread.
That sounds healthy.
What about you?
I drank tea and ate fruit.
Nice choice.
I like light breakfast.
Me too.
Breakfast gives me energy.
Yes, it helps a lot.
Sometimes I skip breakfast.
That is not good.
I know.
Try to eat something small.
Like fruit?
Yes, fruit is great.
I like bananas.
I like apples.
Do you eat breakfast at home?
Yes, every morning.
I eat at work sometimes.
That is okay too.
Breakfast makes me happy.
Food can do that.
True.
Let's eat well every day.
Yes, let's do that.
Healthy habits are good.
I agree.
Ready to start the day?
Yes, I am.
Talking about lunch plans.
Michael, are you hungry?
Yes, a little.
What are your lunch plans?
I plan to eat rice and chicken.
That sounds tasty.
What about you?
I want a sandwich.
The sandwich is easy.
Yes, and fast.
Do you eat lunch alone?
Sometimes.
We can eat together.
Really?
Yes, why not?
I would like that.
Where should we go?
Maybe the small cafe?
Good idea.
I like their food.
Me too.
Lunchtime is relaxing.
Yes, it is a break.
I need a break today.
Me too.
Talking makes lunch better.
I agree.
Let's go soon.
Okay, let's go.
I'm excited.
Me too.
Talking about dinner time.
Michael, what do you eat for dinner?
I eat dinner with my family.
That is nice.
Yes, we talk and eat.
I eat dinner alone sometimes.
That can feel quiet.
Yes, but I relax.
What food do you like at dinner?
I like soup and rice.
That sounds warm.
Dinner helps me relax.
Me too.
I do not like heavy food at night.
Same here.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, sometimes.
I am learning to cook.
That is great.
Cooking is fun.
And useful.
Yes,
Dinner time is special.
I agree.
It ends the day well.
I feel calm after dinner.
That is good.
Let's eat slowly.
Yes, enjoy the food.
Talking about snacks.
Michael, I feel a little hungry.
Maybe you need a snack.
Yes, I think so.
What snacks do you like?
I like nuts and fruit.
Those are healthy.
I try to eat healthy snacks.
That is smart.
Sometimes I eat chips.
Haha, me too.
Snacks make me happy.
Food has magic.
Yes.
Do you eat snacks at work?
Yes, in the afternoon.
I do the same.
Snacks give me energy.
Very true.
What is your favorite snack?
I like yogurt.
That is nice.
Snacks should be small.
Yes, not too much.
Balance is important.
I am learning balance.
You are doing well.
Thank you.
Ready for a snack break?
Yes, let's go.